Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. I thought I would do today's video on not all the products that you see here in front of you, but more an informative video to let you know that there is a time limit on any and all makeup, skincare, lotions, face masks, face wipes, brush cleaners. So I have a wide array of products here, and I'm not going to show you every single one, but I'll pick a few and show you that there is a symbol on each and every product, whether it's on the actual package that it comes in, the box or the packaging, or the actual product itself. So I figured I would start with this product here, and this is a face mask. Now this is a face mask from Korea, and these symbols are so small that it is so difficult to film them, so I'm going to show you using a magnifier. And on here you can see that symbol there next to the recycle symbol that looks like a little jar with a lid that has writing inside. Now, since this is Korean, I don't understand what the symbols mean, but that's what you need to look for on your products for an expiration date. The next product that I'll show you is from First Aid Beauty, and it's their facial radiance pads, and this was a sample that I had received. So you'll see, and this packaging is difficult because it is shiny. So if you see here, you see that symbol. 12M. So the minute that you open this and allow air to get to it, these are only good for 12 months. Now, since there's, how many pads in here? You get 10 face wipes in here. Odds are this would be gone in a month. Not a problem. But if you're stockpiling, like I sometimes do, face wipes, as long as you don't open them, I think it's fine, because I'm sure, you know, obviously you don't want to buy years worth of anything that's moist because it, you know, has the potential to dry out. But if you're buying, you know, a couple things of face wipes, for example, they'll be fine as long as you don't open them and that you properly reseal them. But there are expiration dates on everything. Here is a product that is from Korres, and it is a body butter. And I will show you the symbol, and like once again I have to use a magnifier just because they are so small, and some of them are still going to be difficult to pick up. I don't know if this one can be seen. So you can see the symbol right there, and this one does say 12M on it. It's just, there we go. So this is good for 12 months after you open it. Now something this large, you know, it's a body butter. I pretty much use it for hand cream, and I have so many of them open that I might not use this in a 12-month period. And should I consider, you know, disposing of it in that 12 months? Probably. Air is the enemy to a lot of things. It's the enemy to food. Food goes stale. Well, the same thing applies to skincare, hair care, and makeup. The air is the enemy, and it will... The products are not suggested to be used any longer. Once again, this is your discretion on what you do with your products. This is just an informational video showing you that the symbols are there if you see them. Okay, so some of these, you still need the magnifier. But the glare is... So there it is right there. This is good for 12 months after it's opened. Here is NYX Mineral Veil Powder. And this is all gonna, I don't know if you can see that on its own, hopefully. Let's see if maybe we can get the magnifier on. So there's good for 18 months. Obviously this will get used prior to 18 months, but I'm just giving you examples. And there were a few products that I was surprised that I could not find it on. Here is Dermalex Skincare. And this is their Self-Esteem Neck Firming. lift. Where did I see that symbol? It's on the bottom there. Maybe you'll be able to see that without a magnifier, but I will. Sometimes it's better without. So the symbol's there. And here is their Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. And this is pretty big, so you should be able to see that one without. It's good for 12 months. Another product from Dermalect, and this is their Pore Revolution and T-Zone Mattifier. And this one was also pretty large, that I think you might be able to see it. And that's 12 months. And then I have from Skin Iceland, and this is their micellar water. And that's on there, and it's on the side. And you can see the symbol, and that's good for 12 months. Another product from Skin Iceland, this is their Eye Relief Cream. And their symbol is right on the side here. Good for 3 months after it's opened. But this one surprised me most of all. And this is the, I think this is directly from Beauty Blender. I believe this is, yeah, this is directly the Beauty Blender Solid Cleaner for your brushes in your Beauty Blender. And that has an expiration date on it right there. I mean, it's pretty clear. I didn't think that would have an expiration date on it, but surprised by that. And this is the number 7, and this is the Airbrush Away primer that I received, and this one is there, and this is good for 24 months. I don't know. I don't know if that one's going to pick up because it's a shiny tube. Let's see if we can get this camera to focus on that. Yeah. So this says 24M next to the little jar with the lid up. So that's good for 24 months, which is nice. This is from Benefit, and this is their Airbrush Concealer. And this one's real small. And on the back there, that says 6 months. I mean, obviously this little sample is going to go before 6 months, but if I was getting the larger pot, and this is Maybelline's Master Prime, and this is on there also. It's on the side here. You can see that. So there's the symbol. Gives you, okay, so then here's, more primers that it's on. So then this is a product from Laura Geller, and this is her baked highlighter, French Vanilla. You can see the symbol there. Don't know if that's going to focus or not. So we'll try with this. So you can see the symbol. And it is, like I said, I was surprised that it wasn't on certain products. I figured it would have to be on all products. Okay, here is a palette. And there's the symbol right there. Okay. So these two are the same. And here is a palette that I have from LA Girls. And the symbol is right there. And like I said, some of these are hard to see just because of the reflection. But there's the symbol. And this one is 36 months, which that surprised me, the length. And then I have from Revolution, this is the Naked Chocolate palette. And the symbol is right there at the bottom. $12 months. And then here we have your MAC Prep and Prime. I have from Milani Make It Last. And then I have a Pure Lift Mist. And these might be difficult just because of the bottles. So here's the symbol. 12 months. This has the symbol on it also. So we'll a little difficult if focusing. And then the MAC also has it. Just want to find it again. I know I did see it. Oh, it's on the very bottom of the bottle. I don't know if this one's going to pick up or not. But the symbol is there. Okay, so it's on the bottom of the bottle, which is good because sometimes you have large bottles of those, and I have several, and ones you like, ones you use occasionally. So you really should be careful because you're, excuse me, spraying that all over your face. These are just more Laura Geller products. This is a Laura Geller blush, and the symbol's there on the back. And I'll show you, see if we can magnify it. So there's that symbol. And then here are a few concealers, a different brand. So I'm not always using the same brand. The symbol is there. And this is a Milani, and this is a corrector, conceal and correct. And their symbol is right here. Okay. So then here, I have a few more. Here I have and this is from Milani also, and this is the Retouch and Erase. And that symbol is there, as you can see that. And then even on the little sample from Benefit for the Gimme Brow, it is here. I think it's really tiny though. I don't know if this one is going to show up. It's right here. Oops, let me turn this the right way. It's towards the top. Trying to glare. But it is on the top right there. It's even this little tiny product, which I'm glad of. The Cover Effects has it on there. The Tarte Shape Tape has it, which has their cruelty-free symbol. Where did I see that? And that's right there. Like I said, the glare is just horrible, and this is just so difficult to see. That's why I have a magnifier. So you can see the symbol and the time frame. Even the smallest of product that I've received, and this is a Butter Lip Balm. And this does have it on it also. And that's right there. It shows you the symbol. Oops. I need to show that to you. And then I have some other products. And here I even wanted to show you that when you get these samples through Sephora, through Ulta, Macy's, wherever you would get samples, Tarte, and I haven't not seen other blister packs like this, but it's on there also. That the length of time that it's good for. You might just throw these in your bin or in a drawer and think, oh, I'll use them later. And then before you know it, it's a year later and you want to try them. I can't say that I'm going to be doing that. I would like to keep my skin. If I'm going to be spending all this money on good skincare, I don't want to be putting makeup on that is expired. Here is a pure mascara. And this is one that I am, and there's the symbol there, particularly sensitive about. Here's an eyeliner. And this eyeliner we received, I think this was in BoxyCharm, I do believe. So the symbol is there. And this packaging, it's difficult because it's dark and then it's like metallic. But the symbol is there. Just trying to see if it will possibly show up. So the symbol is there to tell you to be careful. You know, here's some lip gloss from Anastasia. And it is there. You can see it. I'll show you, see if okay, there's that symbol. It's on mascara. It is on, this is a lipstick from Too Faced. I did see it on here also. It's right there. You know, with a lot of these foil packages and lighting are just not showing up nice. But there's the symbol. Here is a Kat Von D lipstick. And the symbol is there on the side of the packaging. Like I said, some of these you're just not going to be able to see. They're small. They're difficult to, even for me to see. Like here it is. Here it's a foiled package. But there's the symbol right there. So this is just a few of the products that I pulled out. I mean, I could have pulled out every single thing I've owned to show you that it's on hand cream. It's on face wipes. It's on sheet masks. your skincare, I would say 99% of your makeup. There were a few that I was surprised that it was not on, unless it was on the outer packaging. It's items that I'm currently using. You know, my liquid concealer, and it probably was on the outside packaging, but I was not sure if that did come in a box or if it was just the packaging. So there were a few that I was surprised that it was not on. But like I said, the majority have that symbol. So maybe it's a good idea to go through your makeup and see, I've had this for 2 years now, but it expired after 6 months of use. If it's anything you're putting on your skin, in my opinion, I will not be using. I went through and did get rid of a lot of stuff. Anything around your eye, a mascara or an eyeliner that is not good, I would say to go ahead and dispose of that. That has direct contact with your eye, because it's in your waterline, your eyelashes. But like I said, I'm investing in good skincare through, Dermalect. I'm trying that out right now. So I'm investing in great skincare. I don't want to be putting expired makeup on my face. It's going to cause clogged pores or breakouts. I'm not interested in that. Like I said, I'm all about great skincare and use less makeup. So, I don't have to buy this super expensive makeup. I can buy drugstore brands or Anastasia or Tarte or even Makeup Revolution or Urban Decay and just Milani and all these brands, and still have them look great because I'm using such great skincare. So vice versa with some of my skincare that was 1 year or 2 years old that might only have a 12-month symbol on it that I know I've had for longer than that, and I disposed of it all. And it was heartbreaking because that stuff is expensive, but I don't want to be putting that on my face either and having it not be effective or, like I said, clogging my pores or causing breakouts. And, I don't have problems with breakouts. I just don't want any of that to start. So this is just an informative video to make you aware that the symbols are there and to pay attention to them. And thank you for watching. Bye.